Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a lovely show and tell for you of the 49th and Market Tranquility part of the Flavors of the Month kit for March of 2023 from the Scrap Room. So we're going to play with this first today, or we're going to play with this today. And unfortunately, sorry to you, but I'm going to show off the papers and I'm going to show you what I created. And I'm not going to explain how I created it because that is exclusive to subscribers. So if you want the recipe of how I create my 2-page spread today, you're going to need to subscribe or get the Flavors of the Month kit this month. But every Flavors of the Month kit comes with 4 different collections, and you get a taste of each of those collections. So this is just one of the 4. 49th and Market, like I said, you get 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pattern papers, and a variety of embellishments. So today, this month, I should say, with this 49th Market Tranquility, we get a couple pieces of twill cardstock. So it's almost like that grayish, like that beige gray color. I love it. So this is twill bezel smooth cardstock, gorgeous. And then you're all gonna get 3 pieces of pattern paper. So we're gonna get this sheet, which is Restful Notion. Gorgeous colors, flowers, butterflies. I love this gingham with like the mixed media look on it, and there's a lot of that. Usually their B-sides contain a lot of that, which is awesome. And then we're gonna get this one, which is Serene Moments, another gorgeous scene. Things can be fussy cut out or used as a background. And then another great B-side. I like to use the B-sides a lot for these because a lot of these A-sides are just not my jam, but B-sides are amazing. And then this last one is Bravado. This one I would love to use, but this B-side is also amazing. It's great backgrounds. Like, they have really good, great background options. So right now I'm thinking about what I want to do for my recipe, and I have an idea. But these are the gorgeous papers. And then you're gonna get some embellishments. And these are all gonna vary per kit. So what I get today is not necessarily what you're gonna get, but you're gonna get something similar or from the same like collection pack. It's just gonna be different items. So we're gonna get a couple film strips in frames. So I got a couple teal ones and this bigger pink one. These are chipboard. You're gonna get some chipboard pieces. Words, I got friends. Today, I got this little heart. I got, ooh, this cute pink heart, and it says, hey there, around the edge. These are all cardstock. This is chipboard, says memories. And then you're also going to get a variety of the die cut pieces, which is what is over here. So I've got this pink frame with this butterfly in it. This, it's like a date thing, which is really cool because then you can circle what day and month and stuff it was. A nice little journaling spot. This little banner that says hello lovely. I love these little blank things. I like them for tucking. The little things, a ticket, and then these. I love these for tucking and putting them in layers behind photos. They're amazing. So this is what you get. And if you want more items, you can always get the pattern paper add-on, which you're gonna get 2 more pattern papers for each of the Flavors of the Month kit, or embellishment add-on, which you're going to get another set of embellishments for each collection in the Flavors of the Month kit as well. So you can always get more, which I highly recommend because more is more, and you're still not getting the giant amount of that's in the entire collection, but you're getting to play with some of the best pieces, some of the picked out pieces by Rochelle from the Scrap Room, and she picks out great kits. So I think she picks out some of the best pieces from each collection to make the Flavors of the Month kit. So I'm gonna go and make myself a fun 2-page layout with these goodies, not using any add-ons or anything, and I'll come back to you and show you what I've created. Voila! Here's my completed 2-page spread. I ended up using almost everything I had. I think I only have some scraps of paper left and maybe like 2 ephemera pieces. Got lots of photos on here, used lots of the pattern paper, used all my fun embellishments, added some Nouveau drops. Voila. And nothing like too complicated, so that's what I love about this one. But I got a lot of photos and a lot of good stuff on here, so enjoy. Like I said, if you want instructions on how I created this page, make sure you subscribe or get the Flavors of the Month kit this month. You will get the recipe for this, and yeah. So go ahead, check out the Facebook group for all the challenges and fun and sharing that is going on throughout the month of March. Also, make sure you go to the store, check out the kits for sale, and also you can always grab some older kits that are available as well in the a la carte section and in the shop. But make sure you guys check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.